Okay, you said no kings. What about queens? But seriously, folks, what if each one of us truly claims our own sovereignty and takes the action that will allow us to thrive in community, that everyone can be nourished and fed and enjoy life, right? I'm so excited that I, Kira Lani, get to facilitate a connection to nature as part of a castle retreat in my community. This is for the woman who is ready to fully stand in her sovereignty, to take the reins of her life and ride that fire horse through the finish line. And we will be gathering in a convergence to really claim our superpowers of leadership, our right to have true health and wealth in the hands of the people who care about communities and families. If this sounds like you, I'd love to invite you to the Imperia Global Convergence 5-day leadership initiation. This is for you if you are ready to go all in to completely transform the way you do life and business. So let me know if that's you, and I will see you there.